Hello traders, today is the 13th of December 2023. We are heading towards the Christmas time. Bank amazing profit today. Let me share with you guys how I manage amazing profit of $20,539. And I'm gonna give you a breakdown all of my traders and I will explain to you, how I've managed to bank some profit at the same time, how I broadcast the analysis of all these trades to all of my members and most of them bank amazing profit. So let's talk about the first trade. I'm going to start from the bottom. Okay, so you can see here that was the dollar yen short trade here. You can see here, and this trade was open yesterday and I closed today, so made 11,661 pips. Okay, so if I go to my platform, dollar yen, this was the trade was taken yesterday, and if you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, watch, you will find out I've given this explanation. That was the trade, and I was expecting market might going to break, but the market broken and retest. As soon as the market retest, I closed my trades around about 61 pips this morning. That was a beautiful trade, guys. So that was the dollar yen. So another one was the pound yen long trade here, and that was the minus 23 pips. That was slightly bit late, but again, the trade was going in my favor around 15 pips. The news came, GDP data was negative. So that was a minus 4,000 to $4,427. And let me share with you the this 23 pips. If I click on this screenshot, you can see that was the pretty standard because I opened that trade based on the price action was perfectly fine. Because if you look at here, the market broke on this previous high, and after that market came back and retest, so took a long trade here as soon as the market was breaking above the previous high, and technically the market went in a profit around about 15 pips. So I was about to put a stop loss, and the data release, as you can see, the spike came as soon as the market break this one. I said, okay, let's get out and let's wait for the price action. So you can see that is the based on this data, GDP was expected minus 0.1% and the data was minus 0.3, which is basically lower than the forecast and the previous, which is negative for the, and you can see most of the news was negative for the cable this morning. So I've lost that spike, kicked me out with a minus 23 pips. You can see here, lost this one. But as you can see here, based on the price action, so I broadcast another analysis based on that. I've also taken a short trade here. You can see him recover 35 pips, which is 6,550, 6,650. So if I show you the long trade here, short trade on the pound yen, that was the pretty standard and straightforward. As you can see here, I was long here. The market nicely broken and retest. And based on the analysis, then I broadcast another analysis. As explained, material look for this breakout. The market nicely broken. You can see here, even after the breakout, market nicely retest and hit to the profit target, bank 35 pips. So this trade, the analysis of this trade has been broadcasted to all of my members. So let me share with you guys the analysis. If you look at the analysis of the short trade, as you can see here, this was the analysis. So based on that, when the market reversed, I say, guys, if the market is going to break this or break this, then you should, if this is going to break, then take a long, otherwise short. As you can see, the market nicely respected, did not break, and when the market break and retest, give us the confirmation. Beautiful short trade as soon as the market hit the profit target, and that's what I explained my traders time to enjoy some profit. As you can see, I've already banked 35 pips. That was a beautiful trade, guys. So next one was the short trade on euro yen. That's again profit target hit 6,650. And if I show you here in the entry, this was the entry, the breakout, which is I've already explained to my trader in detail and through analysis too. So the way I explain my trader, if you look ahead, this is the high, the market is supposed to break and create this structure, but instead market came back and retest, give us the confirmation. But if you look at it more in depth, you can see here, this is what happened. And that's what I explained to my trader. You can see here, market broken, and retest give us the confirmation, and the market also break this wedge, high probability trade, short trade. This is what I've taken, and as soon as the market profit target hit, you can see here and 35 fifths, which is around this level. You can see that's the area which we were expecting here. Nicely hit a bank 35 pips. Now let me share with you the analysis of this euro yen. So it's not about how much profit I made. It's all about the trades which is I've been shared with you with my traders. That's the most important. So you can see here, this is the analysis, and as I already explained to my trader. So look for this one and look for this one. Market nicely broken. This one I've taken trade here. And if you look ahead, the safest way to look at the market break and give us the confirmation. And if you look ahead, the market develop head and shoulder pattern. That was a beautiful breakout short trade here, and my profit target hit. I also banked some profit, and I also mentioned to my trader, it's time to enjoy amazing profit. So you can see, guys, it's not about making this profit 20,000. It's all about the trade which I have taken it and I've shared with all of my members so far this month. 98,000. This is a $1 million of an account I'm using with QBN broker. So you can see, guys, this profit, all these trades, all this profit, made, but key important, all these trades analysis been shared with all of my members, and most of them bank amazing profit. So if you want to see all that trade analysis in real time, so most welcome, join our fast growing trader community, guys. Have a nice day and wish you all the best.